All right, TikTok. So you have leftover rice slash congee and you really don't know what to do with it because it's so delicious. I'm going to show you how you can make a delicious meal using that and instant noodle. So you get your favorite no-name instant noodles because of course it's the best instant noodles out there. And what you want to do is you want to crush it up into a pulp first, like what I'm doing right now. Alright, now that it's really crushed up, what you're going to do is you're going to open it and you're going to pour it into like a bowl here, as you can see. Make sure you get all of those there because, you know, Soy Sauce Steven doesn't waste food. And then you see they have this awesome flavor. You see, you can put the flavor in like this. And the key here is to really carefully make sure that all the flavoring is being used here. Because if it's not, then it's also going to waste. Okay, now we're going to fill this up with water, but the key here is you do not want there to be too much water. So I think at this point here, that's already enough. What you want to do is you want to reach inside and see that all of the instant noodles is submerged in the water, but there isn't anything on the bottom. And the reason why is because we don't want to add too much water so that it can be as rich, as flavorful as possible. All right, now we're gonna put it into the fridge for 3 minutes. While it is cooking, you can start mixing this part here. You want to add a bit of that soy sauce. That was light soy sauce. We're gonna add a bit of dark soy sauce, a little. And lastly, we're gonna add some sesame oil as well. Once you do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna really mix it up. And my favorite part about this is that because of how rice is, it's really going to soak in the flavor. And you know that you're done mixing this intricate dish when you don't see any more white. Or depending on how much you want it to be mixed up as well, you can mix it for even longer. And what I'm going to do is I'll do a quick... Alright, so this one's cold right now, which actually gives me a really distinct flavor. Very good. Alright, it looks like it's ready, so let's take it out. Look at that. That looks ready to go. It is extremely hot. I actually burned my... But you can see, look at the depth of how much water there is. The water to instant noodle ratio is extremely important for this to taste good. Alright, so after mixing it a bit, I'm going to pour it all in here. Make sure you get all that goodness. And now you'll know why I have it from the fridge, because the fridge temperature and the hot temperature of the microwave, it evens itself out, so it is at the perfect temperature for you to take a scoop. And finally, taste, season to taste. So I'm gonna take a bite of this first. It's pretty good. I don't need to add any more soy sauce as much as I like soy sauce. So here we go. That is an original Soy Sauce Steven recipe for TikTok today. Hope you all have a wonderful day and follow for more content. Bye-bye.